Welcome to Krannich Solar. My name is Katharina Wolf and today I'm giving you a portfolio update. This time I will be introducing the new high voltage battery series, the GoodWe Lynx D. The GoodWe Lynx D Series is specifically designed for the residential sector and replaces the previous Lynx F series. The Lynx D offers numerous improvements and flexible application. Each battery module in the Lynx D series has a capacity of 5 kWh. You can stack up to 8 modules to achieve a maximum storage capacity of 40 kWh. Thanks to its modular design, you can also expand the system in parallel, making it especially flexible and future-proof. Another advantage, the Lynx D allows mixing of new and old battery modules, perfect for easy upgrades. Installation is very simple. With its plug-and-play design, the Lynx D is quick to set up. Additionally, the system can be either floor stacked or wall-mounted, and with its IP66 protection class, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The compact dimensions of the battery modules, 700 mm wide, 380 mm high and 170 mm deep, make integration into existing systems easy. The Lynx D series also excels in control capabilities. Updates and diagnostics can be conveniently performed remotely via compatible GoodWe inverters. Furthermore, an integrated battery management system combined with a DC-DC converter manager ensures optimal control and safety. The lithium iron phosphate battery cells offer not only high chemical and thermal stability, but also reliable performance. In the event of an under-voltage fault, the system automatically restarts once the voltage is sufficient again. Additionally, the Lynx D series meets the VDE 2510015 safety standard, which goes beyond typical lithium battery safety requirements. When combined with GoodWe hybrid inverters and smart grid-enabled household devices, the Lynx D reaches its full potential. It helps you become more energy independent, reduce energy costs and ensure uninterrupted power supply. If I have sparked your interest and you would like to learn more about the new GoodWe Lynx D series, feel free to check out our Krannich webshop or contact your Krannich representative. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.